It's time for Faisal Akram now to shine.
Yeah, and two different kind of bowlers. Not only that, Faisal Akram is a rest spinner. He allows more flight to the ball and always a better. Keeps on guessing that at what length it is going to land. He's quick on his feet now, Babar Azam, which is going to matter. He can take his time if the partnership is going to continue, which is already 39 runs old. Then they can take the game deep. They've got the likes of Tayyib Tahir, Haris, the action man in domestic cricket so far. He has done wonders, whatever chances he's got in the T20 cricket. But then you would see that the all-rounders are coming rather too quickly. Hussain Talat, Jahandat Khan, Mehran Mumtaz. So a lot depends on this partnership. The most prolific and the experienced pair out there.
Oh, he's bowled him. He's bowling round his legs. This is what we were talking about. Faisal Akram. Shan Masood, after doing all the hard work, just bowled round his legs. Beautifully bowled. Doesn't get any better than this at this level for Faisal Akram.
Once again deceived in that flight, and he was caught napping in this afternoon in Faisalabad. Showed the stumps and paid the price. Shan Masood, after all that hard work which he has done.
Zero maintenance battery.
Side slip in place right away.
A little opening here for the Lions, Nurpur Lions. They got a wicket, well set bat. Have a look at that. Shuffled across a lot. Came towards off stump. Didn't realize the ball is too full for that. That's where missed out. That's the mistake he made. Oh, slip was there, but played gently into the gap. It's a good start by Tayyib Tahir. He likes it outside the off stump. He'll hit you any day for a boundary.
Yes, this right-handed batter used to of batting in these conditions, and this is going to be crucial for Aptabad Stallions. Quick on his feet, and he could easily find those scoring opportunities down the ground, off the back foot, behind the square as well. Some delicate touch and earn that boundary.
Wow, what placement, what timing, what a start by Tayyib Tahir. That's a good news for Allied Bank Stallion. The king is in his castle. Babar Azam still there, 15 of 23. And he cuts it beautifully right between the two. How good is that by Babar Azam? The crowd up on their feet.
Amir Jamal putting the hard yards, and Babar Azam perhaps taking some page from the book of Tayyib Tahir. Allied Bank Stallions had a bittersweet over the previous one, just after losing their opener Shan Masood. Courtesy the arrival of Tayyib Tahir, they have earned 2 boundaries. I think they will go upstairs to check this boundary, but Amir Jamal had to run at least more than 15 yards, but made good use of his ground, perfectly dived, and a lot of sunlight between the boundary line and Amir Jamal. Good effort in the end, but more runs for Babar Azam.
Absolutely, it's not that easy in this heat. Makes it look so elegant whenever he's looking to play towards offside. Babar Azam. It's just there is no problem whatsoever. Makes the bowling look so simple. That's the quality of this man. It's all the crowd, you can just tell they're roaring for the king. That's what he brings to the table, Babar Azam. So many fans.
Yeah, so here are the 2 best performers of the domestic cricket. Khushdil Shah, although he is a part-timer, but he earned 14 wickets in the previous Pakistan Cup. And by that tally, he was the 2nd highest wicket taker, bowling to Tayyib Tahir, who has been performing tremendously well in the domestic arena. So this is going to be a good competition between the two. Tayyib Tahir likes to find the scoring opportunities, especially behind the square, off the back foot, which is going to be crucial. And he has shown it already.
the good part, Akil, is that he can hit big whenever he wants to. So if you got that balance, that combination of where you can rotate the strike and you can hit big sixes, that's what you want to see, especially in the middle. Look at that, he just rocks back onto the back foot and rotates the strike. And he's already hit 2 boundaries in the 7 deliveries that he has hit. So that's the balance you...
The things transpired yesterday. Allied Bank Stallions are also trying to find their feet on the ground. Babar Azam is in no hurry, although there is this expectant crowd in Faisalabad which is still building up. Whenever we look at the gates, the people are still pouring in this around 18,000 capacity in Iqbal Stadium. But by the look of things, looks like that they are going to be more than 20,000 more to come, expecting and asking for more boundaries.
That's where Faisalabad has been brilliant since yesterday, Akil. And we can tell, we can see that not just in this ground, but there are as many people outside waiting to come in because they know that Babar is playing, Babar is on the crease. You're not going to get that. That will definitely be missing leg stump, turning a little too much by Faisal Akram.
He's quickly changing his line, and that has been the problem for the batters to read it quickly. Once again, shorter length delivery, hurried on to the right-hander. Bit of width, but still Babar Azam was perhaps not readily available to read to the pitch of the ball and played it through the gap. Some respite for Shaheen Shah Afridi. Just 1 run of the over so far. He was receiving end after getting the wicket. Down the leg side, swept to perfection, Babar Azam for his 3rd boundary of the afternoon.
Way too easy. He's not going to miss out on that. If you ball in on his leg stump full and then you don't have protection there, you're asking for trouble, my friend. Overall, he's done well, Faisal Akram, but this one probably just missing out on his line and length. That's better. That's where he needs to be most of the time. Excellent fielding by Imam too.
Pushal to continue. These are crucial overs for both the sides. This is the phase of the game where the game is built or lost. Allied Bank Stallions quickly realized that Tayyib Tahir is still searching for the scoring opportunities.
This is a good partnership building up. And I still believe that Tayyib Tahir is the right man to be with Babar at the moment. Well, Aleem Dar, well, he just said that he will not be umpiring anymore. He can for next 3 years at international level, but he's now said that he will be just giving way to the new umpires coming through. He will be focusing on his Thalassemia Foundation. That's a wonderful initiative by Aleem Dar. We need more people like him. He's been such a great servant for Pakistan as far as umpiring is concerned. He's been somebody who's just given the opportunity to the youngsters as umpires, a new career. We never used to see Pakistani umpires coming through to the international level, but it was him who